Hi guys! Welcome back to Darny Pawi, and na-miss ko to. I'm back. So finally I took time to edit this film, and I'm so excited to share you few trips that I did before lockdown. Hi guys! There's Kenzie. My name is Pawi, and there's Manny, and we're here in Bodega Bay. Super exciting to share you this video aside from the beautiful views, because the quality of the camera that I used to film this entire video sobrang ganda. Finally, I was able to use my GoPro 8 and napaglaruan ko siya. Ang ganda, amazing guys. You'll see the quality, the difference, and also wala nang halo effect. Kaya naman, happy watching! Mag-hiking dyan. And then there are a lot of spots here na pwede ka mag-fishing. So, kailangan lang iwan dito is yung sand. Sobrang mahangin. And kung mayaman ka at nakaangat-angat tayo sa buhay, you can bring your RVs. You can rent a lot and then you can stay there. Since I grew up in the Philippines, so yung standard ko sa mga beaches sobrang taas, lalo na nung nakita ko yung El Nido and Boracay. So nung pagdating ko dito, yung parang na wala yan, it's not even close to the islands that we have back home. Pero nung nakita ko to, grabe, the Bodega Bay is super awesome. Sobrang enjoy to, parang temple run. So if you're gonna continue watch this, para ka lang nagte-temple run, right? So parang virtual video. Actually, meron ng gantong feature yung mga iPhone. Pero iba pa rin talaga itong small gadget na talagang alam mong quality, HD quality kapag nag-video ka. Buti na lang. Picnic table. Might getting dark. Ito naman ganda yung view. Guys, may share ako. Ako lang ba? Kasi kapag when it comes sa mga hindi ako familiar na kainan, kapag mahaba ang pila, meaning masarap. Kaya kami nandito, nakipila kami kasi assuming, ayan, masarap ba o hindi. We'll see. We got to go order, and we have the famous clam chowder and seafood sandwich. Then this should be good. This size, this much. And
that was a sandwich?
Yeah.
That's one sandwich? This is the half.
There. Ta-da! This is $10 for this much, for this piece. Well, it's a seafood. Talagang luxury yung kumain ng seafood. There. It's a mix of shrimp and crab. There. Okay, there. See? Mga 2 bites lang sa akin to.
Yeah.
It's just okay. Out of 10, it's 6. Pero siksik-liglig talaga siya sa meat. Let's try the clam chowder. See what's inside. Maybe they're gonna put it in the bread. Soupy.
Nope, stick. Garlicky. I can smell the garlic. Kenzie!
My turn.
I was right. There's a lot of garlic.
Here, want me to open this?
No, I don't like crackers and that stuff. the best in my butt.
Is it?
No. There's a lot of garlic. So it looks like that. The one in Sausalito is better than this. It's good.
I still like the clam chowder in San Francisco. Those are the best ones. But it's not worth it for $10.
No.
Unlike in San Francisco, you can get like the clam chowder inside
Sourdough.
the sourdough. Now we will buy some live crabs. It's beautiful. It says it's $8 per pound. So let's see if the buffet will have crabs in there. What type of crabs? It's dungeons. Medyo hyper na si Besh kasi nakakain na ng 2 clam chowder, 2 cups of clam chowder. Energy. Oh yeah.
They're big.
How would you know female or male?
I think it's because the underside is like kind of big.
He owns this one? He owns that place? What was he talking about the whales?
Put your hand on my
They eat the crabs?
No, the government is worried about travel.
Oh, okay.
No, the crabs.
very nice. Uh-oh, the other... Oh, that's Kenzie. The other dog doesn't have leash. You can go there. Here, no pets. Kenzie. Go, take her to the water. Hindi ako techie, pero sobrang na-appreciate ko yung option na pwede siyang linear, yung steady lang, or pwede siyang like this, yung super angle or wide angle, yung pag-capture ng video. Sobrang ganda, and the details and the color, pack na pack, diba? This time, while walking sa shore, dito matetest na hindi siya shaky. So, kahit naglalakad ka, walang halo effect. Well, hindi ako magpapatalo. Kahit naka-rubber shoes ako, nasa dagat ako. Syempre, kailangan hindi ka aalis nang hindi ka nagtatampisaw. Malamig ba o mainit? Sige nga guys, comment down below. Malamig ba o mainit? I'll be waiting. There you have it. This is not an ad or sponsored video, but if you're looking for a quality camera na pasok sa budget and you want to invest, yun nga, quality, eto na, go buy one. Well, I got the bundle, so sana makakuha din kayo ng mga big discount dun sa bundle. So, yeah, thank you for watching there ni Pawi, and don't forget to subscribe! This is what you call the Red Rock Beach besides the Stimson Beach. Look how steep is the hill. It's kind of scary. I'll just extend my arm. Oh, those are the rocks. They said it's red. Look at the stretch of the sea. It's so beautiful. Look. So beautiful. I just want to remember today, leap year, you were here, Red Rock Beach. Year 2020. So you can show this to everyone, to your family. See? You only live once.